How to show picture for incoming call on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. You can view all your contacts over here. Scroll down and select the contact you want to update. You can view the contact details over here. Here, tap on Contact Photo and Poster. Then, choose your poster from the options below. For example, Photos. Select the photo you want from here. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner and select Extend Poster. And then, tap on Done. Get a preview of the poster and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily show picture for incoming call on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.